Hello everybody. Just wanted to give you all a quick introduction to our class. So my name is Tim Bolin and I'm going to be your instructor for the term. And I just wanted to give you an idea what the class is going to look like, some quick updates, and some idea of what this looks like in this era of everything being online. So I will go ahead and run us through this, try to keep this quick for everybody. So first thing I wanted to point you all to is um, that I should have everything up by this Saturday. So you'll have everything accessible. I'll make sure the entire semester is up for y'all to look at. Because I know part of the problem of being online is being able to find time to be able to go on and do the work. So I'll have everything online by Saturday. And the other thing I'm going to have up, take a look at this, is going to be, let's see, 1 second. One of the other things I'm going to also have is to have everything available lecture-wise online. So I have a YouTube page. So you also have access to all of the dozen or so lessons on for our stats class up by the weekend. So as far as things go, if you're working or if things are coming up, you could go through and watch the lectures. None of them be more than about 30 to 45 minutes. So you could take a look at those. So they'll be available all day, every day. The other thing that I wanted to point out too, as far as all this goes, is I know there's might be some hesitancy about taking the stats online, but I have had success in the past classes of making it as um, collaborative as possible so y'all can work together and kind of get these things figured out as a team. So I have a few things in place that I think will help with that. One of the things I'm going to have is discussion board set up so that you all could work together. And the main thing I'm going to do is the main assignments that we have. The main assignments we're going to have are going to be either the homework, which will have those, and tests, and both of those will be open book, open note. So feel free to use whatever notes you have, whatever any information from the book, and also to work with peers. So I've had people in the past come together and do study groups and actually do the homework and the test together. So I'll have stuff set up so y'all could be successful with that. The other thing with that is, let me show you the book then. So the questions about book, if you need the book, I'll have the information in this email. But basically, the book is going to be helpful for the tests. So the homeworks are basically going to be based off these lectures you'll find on YouTube. And as far as the tests go, most of those questions come from the book. So while I've had students be successful, not using the book in the term, it makes it a lot easier to be able to have it. So I'll point that out real quick. It looks like this. It's Social Statistics for a Diverse Society. Looks like right now on Amazon, it's a little bit less expensive if you rent it. I think it's also available at the bookstore. So it's one of the main things. So if you're using that book, it should help you with the tests. And then the homework, both of those are open note, open book, so use whatever resources you can. The other thing will be, I will be available via Zoom every day during our class time, answer questions. But what I would recommend would be the best thing to do would be to watch the lectures first ahead of time, and then you could come in and ask questions. So the lectures are always going to be up. And essentially, since this is a quick semester, we're only going to basically have 2 assignments due each week. So I'll have it spread out, and I'll do another one of these videos to show you what I mean. But you'll just have 2 assignments due each week. We'll have those spread out throughout the semester. One of the other things I want to talk about, the book info, class time for everyone. So basically, this is just an intro. It'll be mostly through Zoom, but I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible for y'all to get the information you need. So any questions, we could start emailing, but I should have everything up by Saturday.